I got a lot in my receipt, though. I hope you're having a great weekend. It's always a pleasure. Take care. Cottonmouth, Colorado.
Bye, Cottonmouth. Boy, you sounded good coming down here in Virginia. It's definitely busy in there. Take care, my friend. Hope you have a great weekend coming up. Cottonmouth, 51 Virginia, and we'll talk at you later. Bye, Cottonmouth. I know it's rough, so it's probably just heard a little bit. Cottonmouth, 51, said have a good weekend.
All right, 51. I just headed up to the hills, try to chase a couple owls around, maybe even get one.
Hey, sound like some fun there, no doubt about it, Cottonmouth. Hope you have good luck there for sure. Take care, 51, out of the way.
All right, 51. Take care. Cottonmouth, Colorado. Somebody trying to come back. Cotton, might get it in there. Cottonmouth, Colorado. Deer Slayer. Yeah, Deer Slayer, I'm going up right now. I'm headed to the hills.
Hey, good evening, 507 Groundhog. Now that Cottonmouth, he's in the Mobile heading up the mountain, but L Groundhog, 51 Virginia.
Nice guy,